Hi there guys, in this video I will show you how to reset password in Skype. Firstly, when you get up into this section and you could simply add your phone number or your email or your section on your site to get up into Skype, you go next and here you need to enter your password. And now if you don't know your password, has you forgot it, you need to go forgotten your password on that first side with blue line setup, and here it will shows up a chance to get back your password site. And now you can go and take a code which it will be sent it to your phone, and then you need to get the code and just type that right here. And then also you have the chance to, I don't have any of these, you can use a different verification option if you get up and send it to your email. Now you have these chances, boys. This is your choice, you need to choose up. Thanks for watching guys, don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.